I'm a fire master. Rangers, in my house? Worst holiday gift ever! Why are you here? And why did you put out my fire?
You can't have a fire because raccoons are living in your chimney.
Without paying rent? Those deadbeat raccoons deserve to be smoked out. Consider this your eviction notice, raccoons!
Daddy, I don't think Auntie Priscilla will like it if the house smells like cooked raccoons.
Vagrant raccoons are pests, just like you rangers. And there's only two ways to deal with pests. Smoke them out, or booby trap!
Ha! You think a little ribbon will hold us? Strength power! Mwah!
You think I haven't factored your strength power into my booby traps? Well, I have. And now you're trapped!
If it makes you feel better, you look festive. The wire is kind of like tinsel.
Patty, you've inspired me. We can decorate the Rangers and make them our holiday tree. I bet Priscilla's never seen anything like that.
Yes! I'll get the decorations.
Make sure they're sparkly! I look splendiferous in sparkles! What?
Nothing says the holidays like a decorated booby trap.
Now for the finishing touch.
Floof. I don't know. Do you have tinsel in any other colors? The silver clashes with my hair.